What's up, guys? S1KDK back with another video. A lot of people in the comments, well, not a lot, but like 2 people in the comment section were asking me how do I get my buddy's audio hooked in to my video demonstration here.
Should I get a good wheelie in? Oh, that's some gay shit, man.
Get in the wheelie, I'll get it on video.
So I might as well just show you guys my Motovlog setup as well. So to start off, I have the GoPro Hero 9, and you know, a lot of people say this is a cheaper option, but I mean, there's a GoPro Hero 11 out now. I mean, this one just works just fine. I have a chin mount to hook everything up, and then I have the GoPro Media Mod to hook up the microphone into the GoPro so it can go inside of my helmet. So the requirements for this is obviously you need a GoPro because you're gonna be motovlogging. You need a Cardo or a Senna, right? And you need a helmet. So I mean, I kind of went a little overboard on the helmet. That's a carbon, forged carbon Pista GP AGV. But here is the inside of the helmet. It's a little bit hard to see, so bear with me, but you can see there, like right there is my Cardo microphone, and this big fuzzy ball in my helmet is my GoPro microphone. So there's gonna be 2 microphones in your helmet. So the next portion is gonna be on my computer, and I'm gonna show you guys how I hook up my Motovlog buddy. For me, it's CBR PJ, so you guys can hear PJ in my videos, so it's not like me talking to myself, so you guys can hear PJ. And this goes for everybody as long as you have a Cardo and a GoPro. This will go for anybody. It's very easy. There's a lot of like other videos online that make it way more difficult than what it needs to be. I found a very easy way, and I'm pretty sure I'm the first person to do it this way. So let me hop on my computer and let me show you guys. So guys, once you're on your desktop, you're gonna want to download/make a Discord. And if you don't know what Discord is, it's like a Skype. It's very easy to use. I know mine looks a little cluttered because I've been using it for years already. A lot of people who are trying to do this already know what Discord is and all that stuff. So you're gonna want to make a server, create your own for me and my friends, and you just call it something like Motovlogging, right? While you're in this server, you're going to want to invite your friends, whoever you're going to be motovlogging with, and whoever your friend is that you're going to be riding with that you want in your video. Okay, so once you have your server made, you're going to want to go on to Google Chrome or whatever, Microsoft Edge, whatever. You're going to want to look up Craigbot Discord. I kind of slandered Discord here, but you're going to want to click on Craigbot. The top right of your screen, you're going to want to hit Add to Discord. And once you are signed in through Google Chrome, it will ask you Add to Server. So you're going to want to click the server that you just made. So I made Motovlogging just now for the example. You're going to want to authorize it. Click I am a human, blah, blah, blah. You're going to see, hey, you made it, Craig. So now the bot is in the Discord. And whenever you want to make a video or record your audio, so you can do this all from your phone, by the way. You can do this all from your phone. You're going to want to join, and you're going to want to have your friends join. Once your friends join, you're going to want to hit as simple as in the chat /join. Click it. You're going to want to hit channel in general. Enter. And as you can see, it's going to tell you that it's recording. I don't have my desktop audio on, otherwise you'd hear that. You can see that the bot has joined your server and it is recording for you. So once you're done with your ride, whatever, say you go for a long ride, you hit stop recording. Right? And now it's going to say start a recording. And once you stop recording, you're going to want to jump to DM. So in your DMs here, you're going to want to be able to, you can see that it's going to bring you to a download link. And once you're in this, you're going to want to download whatever file you want. I know that my editing software can take the FLAC file, FLAC, whatever it is, and you will see it downloading. And all of this has to be done on your computer at this point. So say you're done writing, you get home and you do all this, right? Can't really do it from your phone. Most people who make content like this don't really edit from their phone anyways. So after it is done, you drag it into your desktop. And I have a thing called WinRAR, don't worry about it. And in this file here, you're going to see your audio file. Your friend's audio file is going to be different. It's going to say their username and whatever it is. And however many friends that you have, they'll all be right here in different audio files, which is awesome, which means that you can have your audio file from your GoPro yet. Like you can still use your GoPro microphone instead of using this, and you can just grab your friends. This is mainly for your friends audio, so let's just pretend this is my friend, even though it's my audio that it just where did that go? Here, it's right here. Let's pretend that this was your friends, right? But this is just for an example. So now you have the audio file for your friend, right? And now you're going to want to open up your editing software. So once you're in your editing software, you're going to want to put the video that you want, in here. So say this is your new YouTube video. Obviously, it's going to be longer than 20 seconds. I mean, at least I hope it is, right? And you're going to want to sync up your audio. So you're going to want to insert an audio track, or however your editing software works. It's going to be different for everybody. And then you're going to drag and drop the audio that you just made here, right? And then say your friend's talking right here, you can like really zoom in and see that he's talking right there. So you're just, if you have any sort of editing skills, like this is all such a different, I'm not trying to get really deep into this. If you know how to edit videos, you know what I'm talking about. So you're going to want to just sync your buddy's audio with when he said that. So after all of that, you'll be able to save whatever it is and save file. And yeah, basically I hope this helps somebody. And that's basically all it is. So every time now that you're on your, when you're on your bike talking to your friend, don't be joining the Cardo free comm, like the intercom thing, or the Seno, whatever it is. Just go on Discord on your phone after you made a server, and you click on it, you hit general, you hit /join, and all that stuff. It's a lot easier, it's a lot quicker, it works a hell of a lot better just because it actually connects. I don't know if you guys have any problem with that, but Cardo does not want to connect sometimes. But anyways, if I helped anybody, please leave a comment down in the description. If you guys have any questions, put a comment down in the description. I answer back to every single comment, every single one. I haven't missed a single comment, and there's probably been hundreds of comments on my videos so far. If you guys think this video was helpful, please click the like button and possibly subscribe. The goal is to get to 150 subscribers now by June. My old goal was 100, but I already beat 100, so you guys are doing amazing. I can't thank you guys enough for that. Anyways, yeah, like, subscribe, comment. See you guys later.